Good morning, good morning, happy Sunday. These are chicken thighs. I am searing them. Then I will put them in the oven so that they can bake a little bit. They are well seasoned. Let me show you some of the seasons that I use. I use this by Tabitha Brown, Sunshine. Tabitha Brown. I use some Sazon, and I use garlic powder, onion powder, some parsley flakes. I have a little bit of peanut oil in the skillet. So I have another one that I need to sear when I get these out and put them in a pan. And then I will put them in the oven and bake them. And this is for a family member. And my daughter is making dressing for today. She's doing the works, but I'm doing these thighs. I have the easy part to do. As I said, these are for a family member. They're not for me. But I will come back once I get this all put together and let you see what it's looking like. I know they're going to be yummy. And y'all, you hear the sizzling? Good ASMR. Listen to that sizzle. The oven is ready. Chicken and rice ready for the oven, and I'm going to cover it with foil and then bake it on 375 for about 15 or 20 minutes, and it will be good to go. But I'll bring you back once I get it from the oven. I'll bring you back and let you see what we have here. The chicken and rice just went in the oven. So I'm going to bring you back and show you what's going on when it's all done. As you can see in the bottom of my oven, I have a liner there that I purchased from Amazon to keep my oven clean. And it is a copper lining and it works very, very well. I'll bring you back. This is the end results of the chicken and rice. And I forgot to tell you that I used this cream of chicken soup. And I poured it over my rice and my chicken. So I have a little bit left that can be drizzled on the rice. It is delicious. I've tasted just a small spoonful and it is so, so good. I garnished it with parsley, dried parsley flakes. So flavorful. Look at that chicken. The chicken was already done because I seared it first with all of the rich seasonings. And I want to tell you guys, when you cook your food, make it your own. Use the seasonings that you prefer. I don't try and tell anybody, use this seasoning or that seasoning. I just simply show you what I'm using, but you use the seasonings that you prefer. Look at that. I love chicken and rice with the gravy. I love rice and gravy anyway. But here it is. Now I'm going to drizzle a little more on top, and I'll show you that.